Hello and welcome everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to learn keywords in the section of Java Basics. So what are the keywords and where we use it in our Java programming daily life. So keywords are the reserved words that have predefined meaning and are part of Java language syntax. So whenever we are coding our Java program, so we are getting some predefined words that we are using as a keyword, and these are reserved and case sensitive words. So keywords are the reserved word and have some meaning to perform some specific task. These words are a part of Java program language and cannot be used as an identifier such as variable name, class name or method name. So here are some commonly used keywords in Java. So we will discuss about few keywords. They are like public, private and protected, and there are many more like them. So more than 45 keywords are there in our Java that we are using in our day-to-day Java coding. So here you are seeing in the first line we are using public, private and protected. These keywords are used to identify the accessibility or visibility of classes, method and variable. For example, if you are seeing that a public class, my class, so here public is a keyword which is a reserved and it is a case sensitive. It cannot be capital P. Here also if you are seeing this private, int, so private and int both are the keywords, and here if you are seeing in this method we are having void. So this is also a keyword that we are going to use in our Java when we will learn the methods in further coming tutorial. So here if you are seeing that class in the second number, it is used to define a class in Java. For example, you can see public class, my class. So here class is also a keyword which we are doing in our daily coding. And the third one is a static keyword. This we have already studied while we were learning about static variables in our classes, which I have discussed in some of my previous tutorial where we were going for the variables. Now here we are having void. Void is a keyword. It means it doesn't return any value. Mostly this we are using in our methods that you can see public void print message. And there are some other keywords that we are seeing: if, else, switch case and default. This keyword we are using in control flow statement. Also we are having for, while, do. This we are using in our loops for the iteration of the program. And we are having a return keyword that we are using in method that we are doing here in our method add numbers. So mostly this return keyword is used in our methods, and whenever we are using this something like new, this try, catch and finally, so mostly new keyword is used to create object of the class, and this is used to for the reference of current class. Another few more keywords that we have are try, catch and finally. These words we are using mostly for the exception handling. When we are going to learn the exception handling in our Java programming, we will deep dive into these keywords also. Now there are few things that we have already discussed about keywords in our previous tutorials. So like if you can see boolean, byte, char, classes, double, public, short and while. So I have explained all these things in my primitive data types that I have covered in my previous tutorial. You can go there and watch it for more understanding of these words. So these are the reserved for the primitive data types, and here this is a while keyword which we are using for the loop purpose. So for the iteration we are maximum using for each, while and do while. These are the keywords reserved for the iteration of program. So what we are going to do next here, I will create one class in my Eclipse IDE and I will explain you how we are seeing our reserved keyword in the classes. So like you have seen Java project, and here I am going to create one folder. Let me create one folder something like com.keywords, and inside that I am going to create one class and I will say keywords learning, and I am going to create one method called main, and this method you are seeing that we are having some of the reserved keywords like public, static and void, and also we are having public in the name of class. So this class is also a reserved keyword. So these are the things which cannot be used in our method, class or variables. especially. So now let me use one for method, and here I am going to say that int I is equals to 1. Now the next condition, that is I should be equals to less than 10, and I am going to increase this count. Now don't worry about this loop. Here we are going to learn everything step by step, and I am going to say that I am going to print the value of 1 to 10, something like this. So what will happen, this loop will print our value from 1 to 10. Now let's see, it will be coming like 1 to 9. Yes, it will come 1 to 9, and in case we are making it equals to, it will be going to be 1. So I hope you have understood that here this for is also we are using as a reserved keyword, and int also is a reserved keyword. So if you are seeing this int value is equals to 10, in case we want to make it for, it will not work here because it is a reserved keyword, and also it is a very case sensitive. Let me write this public. Will it work? This public is also not going to work for the variable. Same way we cannot use anywhere our reserved keyword. Let me make it something like int class, and it is not going to work. So please avoid using these reserved keyword for other names like method name, variable name or class name. So this is not going to work, and whether we are going give some other values for the declaration, like we can say int value 1. So here it is going to work properly, and in case you are having any problem, you can comment it out in the below section for understanding more. Thank you. Bye bye.